Alright, just to give you an update on what I'm doing, I took out the head top, the valve cover, because these 4 spark plug holes had oil in them. The spark plugs around it had oil on them, and the distributor cord, these had oil on them. So I'm planning on just changing the top around here gasket and those plugs and the plugs for these right here. Yeah, those had a problem, so they were leaking inside, and I had to change everything. And I'm gonna torque up my valve springs a little bit, get a little bit more torque out of them. Over here is where I took everything apart. These went bad right here. These are the top part for the bolts. They actually, as you can see, they're kind of bent. And these 4 right here is for these 4 holes that were leaking. So I put some brake cleaner, make sure I took all the oil out of that, and I have to wipe now the top part of this. Make sure all 4 is clean, and then replace it, plug everything back in, and see what happens. Alright. I'm going to replace all 4. See right here, the whole gasket cover, top part. These 4, I don't know if those are 4 over there, but I'll find out. Okay. As you can see here, I'm done. Those are the new caps on top there. And I put new spark plugs in. New spark plug right here. And the old gasket. These are the caps on top. Look how old they look. So I'm gonna start it up, see what I got, make sure everything is in properly. And this is a no power steering car, so there's no belt. Took the belt off. Actually, the bearing is bad, that's why. And keep the camera still and you can see it. So it makes a lot of noise and wastes all the power steering. It actually spins on that, flies up all on the hood up there, all in the car, all down there. It's all oily because of the power steering fluid and because of that bad bearing. Okay. And I'm done. What I decided to do is paint the top cap, valve cap. So far, let me show you what I got. Right here, I sand everything, ready to paint. It's nighttime, so I'm gonna wait till it's nice and hot to start the paint. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all a little bit later on. Just fitted a nice royal blue. So you'll see the rest later. Alright, I'm about to take the spark plugs out first. Okay, this is still good, as you can see. I'll take it out with the antenna magnet in a minute. It's always good to have an antenna magnet, or you could just pull them out. See that? Ain't shit good at bitch nigga stand back. I ain't from St. Louis, but you could get ramshack. Look into my eyes, oh, look into my eyes, oh. And yeah, I do numbers except 5-0. And I be with my soul, we gonna risk, oh. And y'all they got to be. Alright, so I started taking out some bolts. I took out the two of the ends. Because I'm doing the two of the ends first. These two down here. I'm doing the two of the ends first, and then I'm coming inward. Move it up a little bit. Okay. See, the screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th is missing. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is the front part of the engine. And that's the back part. So that's the screw I need right there. And this is the finished product. I know you know VTEC, but it's good. Alright. Look what we got there. Oh yeah. It's in. Everything is nice, snug. And I didn't show y'all a video of me replacing this pump right here. It actually was broken. Well, I think I showed you. I think I had it in a video or something. But yeah, the bearing was broken. So I had to replace it. This is the bad one. Listen to it. So that's my bad power steering pump. And this right here is my new one. Got it from a scrapyard. $25. Say what? I said it, $25. So that's the part I'm starting to like Hawaii for that. The scrapyard is cheap as ever. Back tail light I got for actually $5. The tail light for the trunk. I mean, it just keeps getting better and better. I installed this last night. I don't like it that much because I'm seeing some wires sticking out there. I don't like wires sticking out, but it's pretty good. That's my amp wire right there. Gotta cut that to fit. And that's about it. So let me turn the car on so you hear everything works properly. So you know that I didn't break nothing. Oh, sorry. And yes, I did it myself. Nobody else here with me but me. Let's go. Oh my gosh! What just happened? And now the steering moves like butter. Oh boy. Hey Rudy, I know you told me not to. I don't need no power steering, but I need it for the way I gotta maneuver in this garage right here and the driveway. It's pretty tricky, so I have to get power steering. There it is. Working its butt off. Everything's working fine. And that's the end of my engine job.